Don't answer using the mic, just on the chat. Question number 1. All right. So a lot of people have answered B. It's a fast and physical change. Is it a physical change?
Ma'am, B is fast and chemical change, not physical change.
Oh, right. Sorry. I read Atharva's answer. Sorry. Yeah. Fast and chemical change. All right. Yes. 1 B is the answer. It is chemical change. Very good. All right. Next question. Second question. Guys, please don't spam. Sarvasva, I can read your answer. Just type once. That should be good. The change of weather is slow and natural. Very good. Third question. Okay, guys, also the answer to the first question is A, not B. Okay, lightning is a fast and physical change, not a chemical change, because it is between positive and negatively charged clouds. Okay, so lightning occurs due to the positive and negative charges of the clouds. There are no chemicals involved, so that is why it is a physical change. Okay, it is not a chemical change. Is that clear to everyone? Answer to question number is A. Question number 1. Answer to question number 1 is A, guys. Darbil, please, can you please answer just once? I've seen you're answering more than like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Can you please cut that down? We just want one answer from each of you. Thank you. So question number 3, most of you have said B, chemical and reversible change. Conversion of steam to water. How is it chemical, guys?
Because when water changes into steam, a new substance is formed, right?
How is a new substance formed?
Because
I think it's physical and reversible change.
The change yes.
I think it's physical and reversible change.
Yes, it is physical and reversible. Yes. Okay, conversion of steam to water. Guys, this is not working out like this. We'll have to do one question at a time because not everybody knows the answer, okay? So, question number 3. All those who answered, it's a chemical change. Is that right or wrong?
Ma'am, I'm a bit confused.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So, yeah. Question number 3. Answer the poll for question number 3 and we'll discuss.
Ma'am, I was a bit confused because first you said it's D and then you said it's B, so I was a bit confused.
Said it's D for?
D is physical and reversible change, and then you said it's B, chemical and reversible change.
No. The answer is physical and reversible change. I said D and B because that is what students have written. So I was just reading out their options. Okay. Okay, let's see. Darbil, is that your name?
No, ma'am, my name is Darshil.
Okay, then use the right alphabets, okay? That is Darbil, not Darshil. Alright, anyway. So, question number 3. You said the answer is A. How is the answer A, Darshil?
Ma'am, I wrote by mistakenly.
So what is the answer?
Ma'am, I think the answer will be D.
Physical and reversible. Very good. Fawaz, why did you answer C? Yes, the answer for the third question is D.
Ma'am, I wrote on the chat that I wrote the wrong answer. Sorry,
Oh.
wrote the wrong answer.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. All right.
Ma'am, but like chemical change is like when we add some chemicals to a thing, right?
Correct. Yes.
Like if we add sugar to sugar to water or something like that, right?
No, that is not a chemical change. The sugar and water don't react with each other. Okay.
Ma'am, what if iron and some, ma'am, I think it's called sulfide. It changes into iron sulfide.
Yes, that is a chemical change.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So whenever a new substance is formed, that's a chemical change. Here, water is. It is at the end of the day, steam is also still water molecules. Okay. Uh, It's just that physical state has changed. So the physical state of water is liquid in the liquid form, in solid form, in gaseous form. These are all different physical states. So when I say steam, it is the gaseous form of water. It is a physical form, physical change. When I say steam to water, it means from gas to liquid. Is that clear? Hi, Pragya. Darshil, I decide the next question, okay? All right. So, all right, question number 4, guys.
Ma'am, the
Question number 5. Ma'am, we have to do 4 or 5.
Ma'am,
Question number 4.
ma'am, the answer is A.
क्या कह रहे हो? Hold on. I think it's
Ma'am.
a
Ma'am, that I have saw if we make a hot tea or if we add in it sugar, it will melt fast. So that means it is because of temperature, right?
Say that again.
I have seen that when we make tea and directly at the same time we put some sugar inside it, it melts fast than a cold one.
Okay.
So I think it's due to temperature.
So you think the answer is because of temperature?
Yeah.
Okay. What do others have to say? Hold on 1 second. I'll tell you the answer. Just a second. Okay. So the answer is for question number 4. Increases the solubility. Okay. So basically what happens if I have let's say glass of water. Okay. So this glass of water has a lot of water molecules. Okay. Now now I put like a few molecules of sugar inside. Now when I put the sugar in this, all of the sugar is concentrated in this region. But when I take a spoon and I stir it, what happens? The sugar distributes in different directions and it dissolves in the water more easily. Whereas if I just put the sugar and leave it there, it will take a long time to dissolve. So sugar dissolves quickly in water when stirring because stirring increases the solubility. Is that clear? All right, let's do question number 5 now. Question number 5. Okay, so the answer for the sixth question is...
Ma'am, that was my confusion that it is chemical or physical like that. So many options are given. No? At last, I thought that it is just reversible and irreversible.
And first I thought that, but then I thought it was
Ma'am, it was V.
Irreversible both.
Yes. Okay, so Fawaz, did you understand why, Fawaz and Jaya Swarupa, why did you understand why the answer is A?
Ma'am?
Yes?
And why is the answer A, reversible and irreversible both?
I'll tell you. Because when I make a ring out of pure gold, I can melt.
Ma'am,
Yes, Yashika.
can I tell you?
Yeah, you can tell. Explain. Question number.
So when
Everyone mute because I can't hear Yashika.
So when we make a ring out of pure gold, we are heating the pure gold. We're heating the gold to shape it as a ring, and if we heat it again and shape it into something else, it can after it dries and comes into its solid again, it will have a new shape.
Yes.
So when we make a statue out of wood, we carve the wood and add the wood back.
Yeah, we cannot revert the wood back into whatever shape we want. Very good. Did everybody understand? Does anyone want me to explain?
No, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes, Utkrishta?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, do some molecules are being destroyed while melting the pure gold?
No.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Melting does not destroy any molecules, okay? So matter can neither be created nor destroyed. That is known as the law of conservation of mass. So law of conservation of mass states that matter can neither be created nor can it be destroyed, okay? So melting will not destroy anything, okay? It's just a change in physical state. All right, let's proceed to seventh question.
I got disconnected. We have to answer question 7, right?
Yes.
And C.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. C is the answer.
Ma'am, the last question, can you please share? I'm not able
Part
to.
is the answer.
Pragya,
Yes, ma'am.
could you please mute yourself? Okay. Reversible change is A, burning, B, heating, C, freezing, D, curdling of milk. Okay, so
C.
okay. Yes, the answer is C, freezing.
Because ice can be melted and
Yeah, that's right.
can be changed into liquid form.
Ma'am, but if we heat something, then it condenses. So what about that?
if you heat something, then it changes physical state. Like for example, if you heat water, it changes into vapor. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, ma'am, and then it can reverse also, right?
Yes, that is a reversible change also. Very good. Yes.
And how curdling of milk is a reversible change?
Curdling of milk, is it reversible?
And someone wrote in the chat box.
No, curdling of milk is not reversible. Once I make curd out of milk, I cannot get milk back because the bacteria has already converted the milk into curd.